shit, it's not good. Shit, it's a lot of resistance. Oh my goodness. No, man, it's not going to work. Come home, baby, come home. Whoa, holy shit, it's not going to work. Okay, I'm going to decrease the angle. Oh my goodness, really bad. Oh my goodness. No, it's not going to work. Unfortunately, no. Oh my goodness. Well, sorry, boy. I'm going to put you in landing mode right now. Beep. Oh my goodness. No, 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 no. First home. Are you sensing correctly the home? Let's see the map. Yes, it's sensing correctly. Oh my goodness. Forcing a lot. Whew. Come on, baby. Use the. Oh my god. Whoa. That is impressive what it's doing. It's doing that effort. Okay, battery 46, of course. Damn it. It's going to be a huge challenge. Alright. Oh my goodness. Come on, do it. You can do it. Excuse me. Shit, it's amazing. You did it. Whoa, my god. Wow. Amazing. Damn. Alright. It's going to be the worst angle for the camera. Does not matter. Look at that. That is so bad. No, man. This is so bad. Look, he broke it. Amazingly. No, it's too much. Fortunately, I put it here. And only with the screws for now, not with a little base plate. Man, that was a lot of effort. Wow, everything worked. It's amazing. Okay, I think it's going to be possible. Even if it's placed 90 degrees. How we use the camera? There is another telephone with a camera on the edge. That is going to be very interesting. Wow, that was an amazing test. Alright, let's go to the mobile data. Baby's here. Showing again. Right there. Look at that solid cyan color. And let's restart everything. Wow. That was a lot. Whew. Restart even the telephone. I'm going to use the laser. Attach it with a duct tape. Wow. Amazing. Alright. This is for later, another day, another modification. And definitely the lowest angle possible. Alright, so I'm going to use what now? Mobile data. I'm not going to do anything else, but what I can do in this case is using the Wi-Fi. Okay. I'm testing the weight. What about the weight? If it's inside the drone, can handle or not? Alright.